everybody. So here we are, week 2. Let me show you a few of the assignments that you'll be working on for this week. So let's go in here to week 2. And so here are the assignments that you'll have, and so some reading in your textbook. Make sure you do that. You have a reading quiz to go along with it. We also have another discussion board, and so this one's actually a group discussion and really just introductions. And so as far as the discussion goes, you'll really only be interacting with other members of your group in the discussion and just introducing yourself, really. Same kind of deal as your last discussion. Make sure your posts are substantial, at least 8 sentences long. Make sure you reply to 2 of your classmates as well as part of that, and that's what I'll be looking for as far as grading goes with that. I really like the introductions discussions because this is when I can learn more about all of you, and that's kind of fun. So I like those, the introduction discussion board. That's a nice one. Next you have the problem-solving sandwich assignment. And so if you go into this one, this is your first Excel assignment that you'll be working on. And so if you haven't already downloaded Excel or don't have that yet, make sure you get Excel. And you'll want to download the Excel file. And so if you just click on the link right here, that will download that file right there. You'll need to complete everything in the file. So let me show you what that file looks like. I have a copy of that here. And so this is what it looks like. And so this one is not a group assignment, but a lot of your group assignments, this is typically what they'll look like. It is something similar to this. And so you'll have multiple steps, notice down here, that you work on, and just filling in, oops, sorry, I scrolled a little too far there, filling in your answers in here, working through each of the steps, and then at the end you'll submit this, and so I can show you the submission in a minute. One thing I wanted to mention specifically on this one mentions tax right here. You don't actually have to calculate tax for this, just be aware. Typically you would have to pay taxes on these things, but as far as calculations go, you can just use that cost and costs over here. And so that's going to be a typical Excel assignment like that. And like I say, once you get done with that, fill everything in, make sure you've saved it on your computer, go to Submit Assignment, and that will give you this option here. File Upload is what you want to do, and you'll click Choose Your File, find your file as you saved it, and then add that in there, and then submit your assignment right there. And so that's what that will look like as far as doing those. Let's go back here. We don't want to actually submit that. Once you get your Excel file filled out, you also have a quiz that goes along with this. And so don't start the quiz till you're done with the Excel part, because your answers on the quiz will be based off of what you answered on the Excel file there. And then you do also have some Maple-T homework as well. And so notice due dates on these are all January 17th, and so that is the Thursday. So be aware of those due dates and make sure you're getting everything in by then. Alright, hopefully that gets you started. Please do let me know if you have questions, making sure you post those either as replies to the announcements or send me an email, and I will try and get back to you.